Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to cook the most delicious okra and ogbono soup. I will be using stockfish. I will transfer the stockfish inside the large bowl. Add salt, hot water. I will leave the stockfish to soak for some time before using it. This is going to help soften it, which will cut down the cooking process. I will also be using cow beef, cow trips, cow skin, dried fish, salt, dried pepper, dry shrimps, seasoned cubes. I'll transfer the meat inside a clean pot. Add sliced onions, salt, dried pepper, seasoned cubes, and stir. I'll leave the meat to cook on a medium to low heat for 10 to 15 minutes in its own juice. 10 minutes later, I'll add some water and stir. You can add the stockfish at this point if you like it very soft. Cover and leave the meat to cook. Here I have the ogbono seed which I'll be using, fresh okra, vegetable, you can use any vegetable of your choice. I'll wash the okra and slice them. I'll be slicing most of the okra to be big and I will slice the rest a little bit small. You can cut the okra into your desired size. Next, I'll transfer the ogbono seed inside the dry grinder and grind it. To the ogbono, I'll add red palm oil and stir it. Once it's nicely stirred, I'll put that aside. The meat is been cooking now for some time. I will add the stockfish and stir. Add enough water to cook the soup. Whichever part of the meat that gets cooked first, you can take them out and allow the rest to continue to cook. I'll place the bowl of the mixed ogbono inside the pot so the heat can melt the ogbono. After some time, I'll check. At this point, the ogbono is nicely melted. I'll transfer it inside the pot. And at this point, the meat about 90% cooked. I'll stir. Because we're going to be adding okra to the ogbono, we don't want the ogbono soup to be too thick at this point. Add the dried fish, shrimp powder, dried pepper, salt, and I'll stir. If you're going to be adding more seasoned cubes, you can add it at this point. I already used the seasoned cube to cook the meat, so I'm not adding any more. I will leave the ogbono to cook on a medium to low heat for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I will come back and stir. At this point, the ogbono is cooked. Add the sliced okra. Stir. I'll leave the okra to cook for 5 minutes. I'll add the vegetables. Stir. Taste, adjust the seasoning if needed. Once the vegetable is in there, we don't need to overcook the soup anymore. At this point, my kitchen smells amazing. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out in my kitchen. And the soup is ready. In a clean pot, I'll add cassava dough, add water. I'll be making cassava fufu to enjoy this delicious soup. You can also enjoy it with any kind of swallow of your choice. Stir until everything is nicely dissolved, and I'm just going to keep on stirring it. After some time, some lumps will just appear like so. I'll keep stirring it until I achieve a very nice dough. I'll remove the spatula. Add water. Cover and leave it to cook. Once the cassava fufu is nicely cooked, stir it until everything comes together. And the fufu is ready. I'll remove it from the stove and serve. Okra and ogbono soup is ready, as well as the cassava fufu. And this soup was very, very delicious. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up and also leave your comment in the comment section of this video. Tell me what you like about the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.